Here's how to fix a pixelated photo on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you have a pixelated photo and you want to essentially remove that or sharpen it, make it better, I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, I'm just going to open up my camera here and just take a quick photo. So I'm going to zoom in all the way as much as I can to this Sony right here and take the picture. So just like that, I've taken this picture and you can see it's not great. It's pretty grainy. It's pretty pixelated. You can see if I zoom in, you can see the edges around Sony. It's just not wonderful. Now, if I wanted to fix this, let's open up the photo so I can get in here and open it up. What I'm going to do is hit edit at the top right. And now if you want a quick and dirty option, you can always choose to hit auto and see how that does. Sometimes it'll increase the contrast so that you can see the lettering and things and differentiation between different things, and that helps with the pixelation. But let's just go over and do a couple other things as well. Let's just keep it going over, and contrast, let's bump this up. So we want contrast to be bumped up. Essentially, this will trick your eye into making it look like it's sharper because it'll contrast one specific thing compared to another. In this instance, the white letters of Sony versus the black background of basically this, this little remote. So I can go over and do another thing. If I keep going over, you can see sharpness. This is a great tool to help any kind of pixelated photos. I just swipe it over, and it will artificially increase that sharpness of the photo, essentially, again, tricking your eye into looking like it's less pixelated. Now, all I have to do is hit done here, and you can see this is the photo. If I tap on it and hit edit, I can hit revert here and revert to original, and you'll see it looks a lot more fuzzy and grainy in that old photo compared to that new one. It looks a lot crisper and clearer, all that stuff. Keep in mind, this is an extreme example where I've zoomed into something, but this is good essentially if you just take a natural photo around town or wherever, and maybe the background is a little pixelated or something like that. It helps to fix it. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.